Records tumble, medals stocking up. All this is happening at the National Stadium at the 49th CARIFTA Championship. Our reporter Karen Matten is watching the action and we now join her to get an update on the latest. Karen, good evening.
Thanks, Simon. A world under-20 record in the 4x100 meter girls event highlighted day 2 of the 49th CARIFTA Games as the team of Serena Cole, Tina Clayton, Brianna Liston and Tia Clayton sped to a phenomenal 42.58 to erase the mark set in 2017 by Germany, sending the Jamaican fans into a frenzy. They had barely settled down when the team of Buwaji Nkrumah, Brian Lavelle, Deandra Daly and Sondre Davison clocked a new CARIFTA Games record of 39.15. Jamaica also took the under-17 and under-20 4x1 with the boys recording 41.74 and the girls 45.38 to give the host nation a clean sweep of the sprint relays. The curtains have come down now, save and excepting for a couple of medal presentations on day 2, with Jamaica at the top of the medals table with a preliminary count of 53 medals, 25 gold, 19 silver and 9 bronze. We'll have a comprehensive report in Primetime Sports Monday, but here now is a roundup of day 1.
Jamaica's medal tally at the Games, which got off to a gold in the morning session through Danielle Noble in the under-17 girls high jump after clearing 1.73 meters, increased rapidly during the afternoon session as the 1500, 400 and 100 meters unfolded, watched by a trio of former national representatives. Rikisha Sims struck gold in the under-20 girls 1500 meters, clocking 4 minutes 44.18 ahead of compatriot Samantha Price, 4 minutes 44.77, who claimed the silver. The under-20 boys also joined the Quinella party with Javon Blake winning in 4 minutes 0.04 seconds, cruising home ahead of a fast finishing Adrian Nethersoul silver in 4 minutes 01.45. Jamaica's Abigail Campbell, 53.83, took gold in the under-20 girls 400 meters, with teammate Kwana Walker taking bronze in 55.65. The 1-2 party continued in the boys' equivalent, with Marchino Rose claiming gold in 48.41 and Taj Marquez White 48.82 in the silver medal position. The story was the same in the under-20s as Kalia Kelly, 52.32, and Onika Mackinac, 52.52, took gold and silver in the girls' event, the same as Delano Kennedy, 46.66, and Shamar Palmer, 46.97, to claim the top positions for the host nation. Jamaica's gold medal rush was briefly halted in the under-17 100 meters as Adeja Hodge of the British Virgin Islands 11.29 and Shantalia Dorset of the Bahamas 11.80 took gold and silver ahead of the Jamaican duo of Thina Lee Terrelong, who took the bronze medal in 11.87, and Kamoy Binga, who was fourth in 11.92.
So basically, my coach just told me to drive out and walk on my start. Just walk on the start and then just execute your race. So I had a great start this evening, and I really loved my start, and I want my start to be like this all the time. After that, I just remember to keep my knees up and keep my farm nice and tight and don't struggle. Just one and it'll come, it'll come.
It was silver for Jamaica's Gary Card, who clocked 10.75 in the under-17 boys 100, where Dwayne Fleming of Antigua and Barbuda won the gold medal in 10.72, and Keo Davis of St. Vincent took the bronze medal in 10.77. The Clayton twins restored Jamaica's Quinella position in the under-20 girls 100, with Tina claiming the gold in 11.22 and Tia silver in 11.30.
Competing back there, it's not really a problem because I wasn't doing a lot of events in the champs that happened last week. So a lot of persons were asking why I was out of the 200 but just to save some energy and to compete at the various track meets or games that I have to go. The event was not competitive because this basically come like training. We are training just out here to do our best and to run faster time than what we run in training.
And the Jamaica ended the day with another 1-2 finish as DeAndre Daly sped to a personal best 10.23 for gold and Buaje and Krume grabbing silver in 10.28, also a personal best.
I just went out there, tried to catch a perfect start. That didn't happen, so I beat the boys in the finish. There wasn't any surprise knowing this is what I trained for and listened to my coach and he told me how to execute the race and I did just that.
The meet ends on Monday. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.